4 pieces of Crisco lined spaced equally on this metal bar. We're going to light our Bunsen burner. Now the Bunsen burner is going to heat the metal bar, and we're going to start our stopwatch. Now, as we conduct this lab, we should be thinking about how does the components of this lab represent aspects of the Earth and the atmosphere. Oops, okay, that's at 32 seconds, the first blob fell off. So how do components of this lab mimic, or how are they a metaphor for the Earth and the Earth's atmosphere when it comes to the question, how does the air get warm? How does the air get warm on the Earth? And this lab should illustrate 3 aspects of that process. So think in your mind, even though these things are not visually the same, what does the Bunsen burner represent? What does the metal represent? And what does the Crisco represent? Okay, at 1 minute and 17 seconds, blob number 2 dropped. So you might ask the question, how is it possible for the Crisco to get heated when the heat from the Bunsen burner is actually down here? What has to happen in order for, Crisco blob number 3 dropped at 2 minutes and 20 seconds. What has to happen for the Crisco to melt and fall off of the metal bar? All right, Crisco blob number 4 dropping at 3 minutes and 52 seconds. So now we'll clean up the lab, and we're going to try and piece together the components of this lab together with our thinking on how does the air get warm given this type of lab setup and the components in this lab. We're going to apply them to that question in a diagram.